Hi everybody, it is Christmas week and I'm standing right in front of the front door and we are in the foyer. Ahead of us there's stairs to go up, the passageway into the stairs that go down to the side door, and then we're straight into the kitchen. To our right, this is the living room. We go into the living room, and then to the left we see the dining room and the little nook where I put in those fabulous windows. Now in the dining room, when we look up, we're going to see new floor. I replaced the floor in the family bath, and then we're going to see a new joist that we sistered up to strengthen the old joist, because when the previous generation of plumbing had been in place, they cut a ginormous hole in the old joist for a drain, and the floor was sagging a little bit at that point, so I jacked the floor up and secured this 8-foot 2x10 beam right next to the old one, so that we are strong once again. I also sistered up some beams underneath the half bath that had been upstairs for similar but less gruesome holes that had been in there for plumbing. So, speaking of plumbing, we're going to go into the kitchen. All this came out of the old plumbing, and it'll be worth a couple of bucks at the recycling center. And here we are. There's an instruction manual laying on my chair, and it is how to install a toilet, because ta-da, we framed in a closet and a half bath, and the plumber has started the rough-in, and so I am free to take over where he left off and install this. Wish me luck. So after placing the wax ring in location the bottom of this, then I placed it over the flange. I'm going to tighten up those bolts and install the flushing mechanism. It will be really a sign of progress that we have actually have a toilet in the house. The other framing that has been done, this is the small fourth bedroom, which now has a wall for the laundry room, and on the other side of that wall, walk-in closet. Here we are in the family bathroom. There will be a tub here, and we go into the shower of the master bathroom. And so with these spaces framed out, the area is starting to make some sense. Hey everybody, look at this. Let's see, do I have a 1 popper or a 2 popper? Let's do a 1 popper. Whee! So naturally, if you have a toilet, most civilized people want a place to wash up, and so we have this approximately 100-year-old console table, or whatever kind of table it is, with a vessel sink, and it's a little bit unusual, but that's going to be our half bathroom, the guest bathroom downstairs, and we're thinking that we should probably put some walls in.